Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we discuss about the product hierarchical learning of tree classifiers for large-scale plant species identification. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. Image-based approaches are nowadays considered to be one of the most promising solutions to help bridging the botanical taxonomic gap, as discussed. For instance, most existing systems for image-based plant identification do not consider large number of plant species and pay less attention on computational efficiency. In this project, the system proposes a hierarchical multitask structural learning algorithm is developed to support large-scale plant species identification. The proposed algorithms can achieve very competitive results on both the identification accuracy. Our experimental results have demonstrated the effectiveness of our hierarchical multitask structural learning algorithm in training more discriminative tree classifiers for large-scale plant species. It can be further assigned to the most relevant child mode, that is the low-level leaf mode on the visual tree is formally defined as an leverage to learn more discriminative tree classification over the visual tree. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is nothing but the folder consists of the several images undergone for the process. After the input image is getting from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. Pre-processing is the process of filtering the noise from the image. The filtering is the process removing the noise and the image which comes out from the filtering is the noise-free image. In this step, we use the Gaussian filter for the noise filtering. Then the saliency detection is carried out. The saliency detection is the one of the best segmentation method for the segmenting the background and the leaf region. After the detection of the saliency pattern, the clustering is carried out. The clustering is used to cluster the background from the leaf region. This is also the one of the effective segmentation method for the extraction. After extracting the leaf region, that is the segmentation, the feature extraction is carried out. The feature extraction is nothing but the collection of data from the leaf region. The data will be in the numerical form. This feature which is extracted from the leaf is known as the test feature. After extracting the test feature, the train feature already we have extracted. That combination of train feature and the test feature, the classification is carried out. The classification is nothing but the classifying the test and the train feature. Then the recognized output is comes out from the classification result. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. You can see the several files in the current directory. In that you can select the main file.m. Right click in that file, you can see the third option run. Click the or select the third option run. Now the dataset folder was opened. In that you can see the several images. Now select any one image from the dataset. Now I can select the 9th image from the dataset and click the button open. Now the process is going on. This is the input image which I was selected. This is shown in the figure 1. Then the filtered image is shown in the figure 2 with the title filtered image. In the filtered image, the noise free image is the filtered image. After the filtering, the binaryized image is shown in the figure 3 with the title binary image. The binary image having the two colors, one thing is the white and the black. The white represent the ones and the black represent the zeros pixels. Now the clustered image is shown in the figure 6 with the title image labeled by cluster index. Now the clustered image is shown in the figure 11 and 12. The leaf region cluster and the background cluster is shown. Only the leaf region is shown in the figure 1 with the title objects in cluster 1. The remaining background regions are shown in the figure 12 with the title objects in cluster 2. And also the figure 13 represents the clusters of the background and the negligible elements in the background. After the clustering, the classification is carried out. In the classification, the feature is extracted from the leaf region and those features are classified with the train feature. Then the classified result is shown in the command window. Thank you.